During World War II, the United States developed one of its strangest experimental weapons, the bat bomb. The concept was simple but unusual. Thousands of bats would be placed inside a container, each carrying a tiny incendiary device. Dropped over Japanese cities, the bats would scatter into buildings and roost in hidden spaces. The timed incendiaries would then ignite, potentially starting fires across hard-to-reach areas. The project was real, but it was ultimately abandoned before seeing combat. While the bat bomb was being developed as an unusual way to spread fires across Japanese cities, another American effort was taking shape in secret. In 1942, the Manhattan Project began developing a weapon based on nuclear fission. As scientists raced to unlock the enormous energy inside the atom, the bat bomb was eventually sidelined. The atomic bomb, however, would become one of the most powerful and consequential weapons ever created.